taking this out of time lapse now. I'm done making this little master board into some tags, and I thought I would just stop in and say hi. I know the whole thing was in time lapse, and I fast forwarded it because I really wasn't sure how this was going to go, and I really kind of wanted to have the luxury of, I don't know, turning on some music and just listening to something else. And sometimes these social media platforms get a little what's the word, nervous, upset, dicey, insert whatever word here, when you play music. And I wanted just to be able to jam and listen to stuff while I kind of sorted this out, because this was a bit of an experiment. I watched Luise do this in a live the other day, and I will tag her in this too, because I was very motivated by her approach to this splatter technique, and I knew I wanted to try it for myself, and I'm not unhappy with how it turned out. Well, of course, it always turns out different in your head than you think it's going to, and so I know I walk away from it and I'm gonna come back from it in a few days or weeks or whatever and be like, oh, I love these. But for today, I'm like, okay, all right, I'm happy enough with how these turned out, and we'll do it again. We'll try it again for sure. But right now, as you see, I'm just inking it with a little bit of vintage photo archival ink, just to cover up any of the not so great cutting that I may have done. That's definite. I definitely did have so-so cutting skills when it comes to this stuff. And then some of this could go in some happy mail that I promised to some people, and I'm excited about that. And I'm gonna keep some for myself, because some of these I really like this one, and others have more potential, like this one. This one's got a lot of potential to like put a date on it, or and a focal point on it, or something else. But I love all the layers. I definitely love all the layers. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.